Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice. Today we're going to walk you through on what we're going to do here. Basically, customer has its own Bose Acoustimass system. So this is the subwoofer and amplification for all the speakers. And it'll actually hook up to this Yamaha sound receiver down here. And he has also got a PlayStation and a few other components down here that we'll clean up. The sub will sit here, so we'll drop all our lines down the wall right here. We have a speaker that'll be in the corner there for the rear, and corner here, and a corner here. All four in the corner for the surround sound, and then the center channel right above the center of the TV. And they're all on these little brackets here that'll stick off the ceiling like so. So, with that being said, we got a few wires to run, so we've already extended one of these just because we know that we got to get up and over and down over there. So we knew these two were our two shortest ones, so we went ahead and extended those. We're going to get running these lines. Remember to like and subscribe to the page down below. So right now I'm just cleaning up all the wire. So I'm hooking up the equipment and zip tying everything, making it look all nice and neat. We do work with, existing equipment, so if you have something, give us a call, we can work with it. Hey guys, we're back here again. I'll show you a finished product. So we got all our speakers up. Got one there, and one here. And we got one here. And then we all have it run to right here to the Bose subwoofer / amplifier. And then from the Bose piece, over here to the Yamaha. Take a look behind here. I'll pull it out a little bit. You can see I've zip tied everything up. So to make it look nice and clean. And here's our TV with our center channel above it, pointed down towards the seating position. And then, as you always, think about surround sound. Usually it's supposed to be about ear level. With these particular speakers, they're adjustable for angles, so they're all angled towards the seating position. Stay tuned. Remember to like and subscribe to the page below. Hit that notification bell to get all the notifications. Have a great choice day.